I'm Suzi Glover, agency owner for Suzi Glover State Farm, and we sell insurance. We sell the standard insurance for your auto, your home, life insurance, as well as for your business. So business insurance and all of the things that go along with that, including your auto, life insurance for your business owners as well as their employees.
When we talk about the services that we offer, the biggest thing we talk about is we sell peace of mind. We want to make sure that if that catastrophic thing were to occur, that event, that our customers can call us so we can say, hey, you're covered, you're good to go. With State Farm, everybody knows we do home insurance and auto insurance. Those are our biggest items that we have. We also do life insurance. We're one of the top life insurance companies in the country, but a lot of people don't know that we do that. That's one of the big things that we do that's not known. We also have some partnerships with banking products. We have home loans, as well as insurance for small businesses. That's another big thing that we do. We like to help take care of the business community here in Scottsdale.
So what drives our success at our agency is our team. We're passionate about insurance, and we consider ourselves our customer's personal superhero. And my team brings that to work with them each and every day. They strive to meet the needs of our customers and protect them in the best way possible by educating them on insurance and insurance products. And so that's really been a key to our success as a result of that. They come in every day again with a passion to serve. They have a passion to have our office succeed. And as a newer office, celebrating 4 years, they want to see our office grow. But since we're very fortunate to have great customers, they want to keep those customers too.
When it comes to things that we've gained from the Chamber of Commerce, there's several value-add type things. When it comes to the vision of the Scottsdale Area Chamber of Commerce, their vision is to build a prosperous business community, and that's what we are doing as well. By being part of the Chamber, I'm also an ambassador with the Chamber and part of a leads group. I've built a lot of relationships to work together with the Chamber, with fellow small businesses, and that's the biggest thing. People know who we are. They know they can trust us, and by building those relationships, it helps people to know to come see Jim and Suzi, and we'll take care of you.
I am very excited for the future of Suzi Glover State Farm. There's so many different directions that our agency is going to go and can go. We recently just launched into Utah, so now we're offering State Farm insurance products in Utah. So when I look down the road is what that may be. Another office in Utah perhaps. And then personally, as a leader of my own office, inspiring and motivating my team to go to launch and open up their own State Farm agencies.